In today's video, we're diving into the best apps for learning Korean on Android. If you're excited to start your Korean language journey, let's get started. HeyKorea Learn Basic Korean. HeyKorea Learn Basic Korean is a comprehensive app designed for beginners looking to grasp the basics of the Korean language. The app features a structured curriculum that covers essential vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. Users can engage with interactive lessons that include audio pronunciations by native speakers, making it easier to develop proper speaking skills. Additionally, the app offers quizzes and exercises to reinforce learning and track progress. With its user-friendly interface and well-organized content, HeyKorea enables learners to build a solid foundation in Korean at their own pace. Learn Korean with Flashcards. Learn Korean with Flashcards is a highly effective app that utilizes flashcard-based learning to enhance vocabulary retention. The app includes a wide range of vocabulary categorized into different topics, making it easy for users to focus on specific areas of interest. Each flashcard features audio pronunciations to help users practice listening and speaking skills. Additionally, users can create their own custom flashcards for personalized learning. The spaced repetition system employed in this app ensures that learners review words at optimal intervals, maximizing retention and aiding long-term memorization. This app is excellent for visual learners who enjoy a more interactive approach to studying. Tobo Learn Korean Vocabulary. Tobo Learn Korean Vocabulary is an engaging app that helps users expand their Korean vocabulary through interactive games and quizzes. The app offers a variety of learning modes, including multiple choice questions, matching games, and fill-in-the-blank exercises. Users can learn vocabulary related to everyday situations, making it practical for real-life conversations. The app also employs audio pronunciations from native speakers, ensuring correct pronunciation while learning. With its gamified approach, Tobo makes language learning enjoyable and motivating, appealing to learners of all ages. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of HeyKorea, Learn Korean with Flashcards, and Tobo helps you find the perfect app to boost your Korean language skills. Until next time, happy studying!